Oh man, my Lambo come at night, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make a little video so we can push it down. Yep, look at this. Woo! Man, so sexy. Look at that. Crazy. What do you guys think, man? What do you guys think? I love it already. Let's push it down. Look at that. So sexy. Oh, baby. Man. Okay.
Move a little bit back and push brake, okay? When I'm saying push brake, brother. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. Okay, push brake.
Hold the brake, hold the brake. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, slow down.
Go slow, brother.
Go slow.
I think you could take back the brake.
Stop right here.
Yeah, let's push it down. Oh man.
Push it. You gotta push them.
Now you can see it, yeah? Now you can see it. Very good.
Good.
Yeah.
Rồi chạy xuống.
Go hold this.
It's about to go down.
không mà. Phải xì bánh xe nữa. Can you release the air down?
Okay.
Okay, I air that for you.
Show me the number one. How
Yeah.
to find YouTube?
What do you mean?
I subscribe you, bro.
Yeah, Fam Legend. Okay, my Lambo is in the shop. Safe and sound, guys. Look at this. And I have to go home and see it tomorrow so I can work on it. Look at that. Man, so sexy. Woo! Yellow, baby. Yellow. Nice. Let me update on my Lamborghini. We got on fire because of the fuel pump and the fuel hose, guys. So look at this. Oh man, look at it. All burned up and everything. So this is my project. Yeah. Let's see. Oh man, open that. So I had to change the rear trunk, the engine cover, and redo probably everything in here, like intake and wire, everything. Hopefully, the engine's still good, guys. Look at this. Oh man, it hurt, and it come a lot of extra in the back like that. Yep. What do you guys think? But still, the body very good shape, everything. And I love the rim and that carbon fiber. Look, carbon fiber fuser, guys. Look at that. Oh man, this LP 560. That's 4. Love it. Yeah. Look at this. And I'm gonna do the series on my YouTube channel to like rebuild cars, Lamborghini on fire and all stuff like that. So hopefully I can get done pretty soon and then enjoy driving it, guys. Yeah, so now I just started, so I have to start the clean up all here, guys. It's clean up. Yeah, all the plastic they melt and then they stick in here. Look at that. Oh man, you take it out. Smell good. Look at that. And I probably scrape all that and clean, maybe with vacuum it. This is just a plastic dip. Yeah. And man, it burns. She burned bad, guys. She burned really bad. She's hot. Look at that. Yeah, it's cleaning up a little bit, you know. So this one I have to redo the body work here. And this one I painted black, and this one is yellow. So I only paint on this side. That's it. Let's walk around to see. Check out the car, guys. Interior very nice. Interior very nice. This is the reverse button. And small automatic. It's a Corsa mode and everything. Look at that. Lamborghini. The interior very nice, but got bad little bit up here, guys. A little bit burn up here inside, and then yep. Oh, burn a little bit on the headrest. It's okay. I trying to wrap it. It's okay. Nobody can see that. Probably if it don't have that, I put a rear bonnet in it, guys. And let's walk around. What do you guys think, man? Yeah, I got a paint chip everywhere. This car got paint chip, and rock chip everywhere. So hopefully I can probably repaint it, but hopefully somebody can match in the color. This, yeah. Still on this side, very good condition. On this side, very good condition. Yep. Yeah. Just love the look of it. Right. Probably I just fix it and drive it. And this is already like that. I don't have to change anything. Maybe I add the rear diffuser and maybe the front diffuser. You know. Yeah, but it's carbon fiber and it's in the middle, right? This is LP 560. This is good. It's sexy. The nice about this burn car, but it's inside. You don't smell smoke at all. It still smells like new. Yeah. You don't smell smoke at all. I don't know how they do it, but I don't know if they put water, because I don't see the fire extinguisher, the white thing on here, white powder or anything. I don't know how they shut off the fire. Yeah. No smell smoke, guys. No smell smoke. And the turbo and Phammotorsport is over here. Sports S is over here. Okay, Nate, wanna come get it? Yep, them legend, guys. Woo, new edition. Very, very nice. Speed edition, guy. Look at that. Sexy, sexy.